Hey guys, Grimmute here. I got building here. I got 4 thermostats I got to change. I'm going to put these Nest in. Installed several of them. Owner's house, my house, some other people's house. But I'm going to install these on this storage building. We've got 4 units hanging in the ceiling, about 20 feet up. I can show you that. Look up there. So the old thermostats, I did not run a C-wire on. And well, these Nests don't require a C-wire. They charge the battery when the system's running off of the heating and cooling wire. So let's get one installed here. We'll pull the this thermostat off and pull the wires so you guys can see what wires I have on this. And you can see it's only 4 wire, no C-wire. I've already done the other 3. The batteries were low on the Nest, so I wasn't able to set up the Wi-Fi yet until they get charged up. So let's do this last one. All right, we got 4 wires here, as you can see. We've got green, yellow, white, and red. 4 wires. Some of you will have a 5, and that's usually that common wire. Nest does not require a common, although a common is good because that keeps a constant charge on your batteries on the Nest. But without the common wire, it will use the yellow and the white to charge the Nest battery while it's running. So I've got a little tweaker here. We can get to these screws. We just need to loosen them up and we'll take those wires off. Here's our Nest base. I've got it set. You can see this is corrugated steel. We've done these rooms in corrugated steel. It turns out real nice. It's a real nice look. We don't have to worry about anybody damaging the walls. We added this on a year and a half ago, something like that. So, but here's our Nest base. I use metal screws to put it on. I can't use the screws that were on it. Here's the old holes here. So I failed to mention, go ahead and kill the power to your unit, because if you short out one of these wires on one of them, it will blow the little fuse on your control board in your unit. But yeah, kill your power so you don't short out your wires. And then basically all you're gonna do is route these wires where you need them. So you just push in these little tab right here, and then you feed this wire through the little hole in the side. So you hold it in, push the wire in, release. If it stays pushed in, then it's got the wire connected. Then give it a little tug also, just to make sure. So let's get these wires in the placement. See, then we'll grab this thermostat and plug it in. Okay, here's our wiring. As you can see, they're all pushed in. I got purple fingernails from doing some plumbing yesterday, so I gotta wait for it to wear off. There's the white, pushed in, and then these aren't pushed in. See how they came back up? So let's get the thermostat plugged in and see, get it up and going. All right, now, this one is not coming on. So I'm going to say, yeah, see, nothing's happening. Since the other 4, or the other 3, the batteries were almost dead, I want to say this one probably same problem. I looked at Google's troubleshoot site and it says there should be a red blinking light if the battery is really low, and a green blinking if it's charging. So you can charge these, let me pull this off. You can charge these with this little USB port here. It's supposed to charge it pretty pretty fast, full charge in 1 hour. So I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens in about, I don't know, hopefully 20-30 minutes. Something should happen. I had this one here. It would not come on when I plugged it into the base. It did not have a blinking red light or a green blinking red light. So I assumed that the battery was completely dead and didn't have enough to boot up. So I came in here, I plugged it into a USB. It's been on for about 30 minutes now, and I flipped it over. And if you look real close there, please attach the display to its base. And it's blinking green now. So that is a good sign. That's all it needed. So I just popped it in, and as you can see, we've got a red light. But it hasn't booted up yet. So we'll give it some time and see what happens. Okay, so I gave it a few minutes. The little house button light is on now, so it's booting up. There you go. All right, guys. So if you get a Nest and it's DOA, when you get it all connected, nothing happens. Charge it with the micro USB. This was a new experience for me. I'd never had one that was dead. I've got these off of Amazon, so they probably sit in their warehouse for quite a while. Judging by the other three, one wasn't too bad. The second one was really low battery, wouldn't even let me finish setting it up until it charged some more. I was able to get the AC up and running though to get that far. The third one, same way, exact same way, and this one was nothing, completely nothing. So no lights, no blinking, so don't freak out when you get yours. Plug it in for, I think I had that one on 20-30 minutes, and so here we go. We've got the setup, internet connection, built-in battery to recharge, and when it's done you'll be able to connect Wi-Fi. So we didn't get a full charge on it, so it's not going to let us connect to the internet. Same thing with one of the others. So until they finish charging, we will get these connected to the internet. There we go. I'll do all that and not bore you with all this garbage here. These things are really easy to set up, and there's plenty of YouTube videos on that. I just wanted to install one, show you the installation on my channel, and we got lucky and we had a problem and we were able to correct it. So I hope you enjoyed my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video rather, and please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take it easy.